name is Greta Goede. I graduated from SDSU in 2024 with a degree in journalism. I'm right now in Omaha, Nebraska. I'm a multimedia journalist at a script station here. It's KMTV and Channel 3. So my day-to-days are kind of everywhere depending on my story. I do about 2 interviews depending on the story, get video, things like that, and then I'm also on camera. So I'm a multimedia journalist. And I write all my own stuff, I edit all my own stuff, and I am also on camera. So yeah, we take the video, I take my camera out, I shoot all the video for my stories. I also shoot myself on camera and then shoot all the interviews. I come back here, I log my interviews, take sound bites I want, use all the rest of the information to write a script, and then after that, I track it and I put it all together. So I edit my entire video together with my video, interviews, me on camera, everything. I definitely learned probably all those skills from working at the Collegian. Most of my skills come from working at the Collegian. I think it's a really good foundation to have the writing part down. I know when I was applying for or interviewing for this job, they're like, we can teach you how to edit videos and stuff, but you can't teach someone how to, write stories when they're coming out of school. So they were like, it's good to have a good foundation of learning how to write stories and knowing how to ask those questions and everything like that. So I think that was like a really good foundation to have. I definitely learned all of that from starting just like my freshman year in the Collegian is where I grew all those skills over time. My sophomore year is kind of when I picked up and started writing articles more often. My junior year, I actually joined as a news editor, I think my title was. And then my senior year, I was the editor-in-chief. So starting out with junior year, I would write about 2 to 3 articles every month, depending on my school schedule. And then on top of that, on Tuesday nights, we would actually create the newspaper. So we would have to edit pages, which Jim Helland really helped me learn how to edit pages, which was a really fun experience because we've never had to do that before. So we actually had to design everything on the newspaper. When you see the Collegian, it's all designed by students, which there's really good work in there. When I became editor-in-chief, I was writing about 1 to 2 articles a week for the paper. Mostly I covered Students Association a lot, and then I covered some more enterprise stories that I worked on months for. Jim Helland helped me a lot my first couple of years, really getting me off the ground. And even to my senior year, all the stories I turned, he was really pushing me to actually do better stories. And obviously that made a big impact from where I am today. I wouldn't be where I am today if I didn't join the Collegian, if I wasn't as involved in my classes or working with my professors outside of school. I wouldn't be where I am today. So getting involved in college was the biggest thing that helped me get where I am.